are blueberries, video screens, Minneapolis scheme, and a dry flush from books I've read. The juice of dark cherries cover his chin. The dog walks in with the crow lies in his jaw like lead. Everything eats and is eaten times fed. Early evening, the pink ring swallows the spherical marigold terrain. Sleep believing it sinks and hollows the station headlight of a plane. You are as far from me as memory, which fixtures fracture very late. The juice of dark cherries cover my skin, 6 years and no baby. Everything eats and is eaten. Ingydar bears a scar like a meteor, crystalline and her gilts her cheek. Tambourine of the beach leaves lead her to the raven playing hide and seek. Giant blueberries, figurines of the angel leans at the head of the bed. The juice of dark cherries cover her chin. The dog walks in, the crow lies and a smile like lead. Everything eats and is eaten times
and there is nothing wrong.
What you don't tell no one, you can tell me. Little ghost tall tan like milk and honey. You're very brave and very free. I push you high, cherry blossom on your sycamore tree. What you don't tell no one, you can tell me. Swing it high like Jesus, wild and free. Dandelions in your hair, baby. You're very brave, and there's much to see. I push you high, cherry blossom on your sycamore tree. What you don't tell no one, you can tell me. And when you're scared, I'll be right here. You feel afraid, mommy is there. It's a cruel world, but we don't care. 'Cause what we've got to share. What you don't tell no one, you can tell me. Little ghost blonde hair with lemonade tea. There's much to learn and so much to see. I push you high, Angelina, on your sycamore tree. What you don't tell no one, you can tell me.
Tried to tell you I didn't know how to stay. You believe she can see through, cutting at the silent clay. A relief, beckon deep blue, fettered in the magnet sun. Eat the gun as it feeds you, spitting up the oxygen once again. Once again. Once again. Empty horses gallop through the violet door, follow red, crooked courses, shadows on the moonlit floor. All my stars, winged creatures, gathering in silken height like the last human teachers. Once again, we must bleed new, even as the chill. Little Andy, soft in your newborn skin. Only one little Andy. Will you return again? I believe we can renew, and you could be my brother once again. Fall asleep with our backs against each other. You believe, I believe too, that you are the river of light who I love, that I sing to in the belly of the empty night. From the 31st floor of the simulation swarm, with a drone of fluorescence, flicker, fever, fill the form. With a warm gush, now I wanna touch like we never could before. I'd fly to you tomorrow, I'm not fighting in this war. I wanna drop my arms and take your arms and walk you to the shore. I'd fly to you tomorrow, I'm not fighting in this war. I wanna drop my arms and take your arms.
Didn't work out the way I thought. I must have mistaken myself for someone I was not. Oh no. So I pushed myself to see how far I could go. Didn't need to look that far to learn what I needed to know. Didn't want to be a quitter, but I had to find my way. How long will it take? Oh, how long will it take me to feel? How long will it take? Oh, how long until it's the way I thought it would be? When I'm wanting to please, and you watch me draw the line, never to be cast again in the same light. Oh no, and I don't blame you. They were choices I made. Didn't want to let you down, but I can't play it the same. In your mind, am I a sinner, looking for relief? How long will it take? Oh, how
The thunder came crashing. Your new blue eyeliner caught my distraction. And like we were two lovers forming from friction, your mouth caught my ear with such perfect diction. There I let you tie my hands back and take me. Oh, the rain on a Saturday morning. Oh, the rain with your soft burning hands. We fell asleep in the back of the warehouse. I woke to you kneading and covering my mouth. And like we were hummingbirds screaming at ravens, you started to move me from fact into fable. There I let you take me under the table. Oh, the rain on a Saturday morning. Oh, the rain with your soft burning hand.
When I am down, I lay my hands upon this ground. For the 1000th time I call him in, his earth is mine. Before I make the offering, remember all the faces that I've seen. Now all the marks have settled on my skin from all the different places that I've been, that I've been. lucky to be alive.
Wow, that's cool.
Over the Dead Sea, keeping you company, thinking I'm not afraid of you now. I'm not afraid of you now. Letting my eyes close, shedding my soft clothes. Wind blows, wind that howls like a hound, wind that laughs like a clown. Mystery of black, stabbing stars through my back. Forwards beckon me bound, forwards beckon me bound. Virtue of bedroom, rise like a full moon. Show me pictures that hang in your house, pictures that hang in your mouth. Candescent insects, crosses and fishnets. I have nothing to pray to you now, nothing to pray to you now. Mystery of black, stabbing stars through my back. Forwards beckon me bound, forwards beckon me bound. Pulling your face close, wanting the inmost. Show me I'm not afraid of you now, I'm not afraid of you now. Feeling violent, infant and innocent. Baby, both arms cradle you now, both arms cradle you now. Mystery of black, stabbing stars through my back. Forwards beckon me bound, forwards beckon me bound, forwards beckon me bound.
Just like the sea, I don't know where to go. Through dirt and shadow I grow. I'm reaching light through the struggle. Just like the sea, I'm chasing the wonder. I unravel myself, all in slow motion.
You cannot eat money or not. You cannot eat money or not. When the last tree has fallen and the rivers are poison, you cannot eat money or not. You cannot eat money or not. You cannot eat money or not. When the last tree has fallen and the rivers are poison, you cannot eat money or not. Oh no.
Suffocate me, so my tears can be rain. I will water the ground where I stand, so the flowers can grow back again. 'Cause 'cause just like the sea, everything wants to land. We are burning our fingers, but we learn and forget.
I'm going down to the railway station, gonna get a ticket to ride. Find a big fat lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Ride till the sun comes up and down around me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat, trying to hide my sorrow from the people I meet and get along with it all. Go down where people say y'all, sing a song with a friend, change the shape that I'm in, and get back in the game, start playing again. I'd like to stay, but I might have to go to start over again. Might go back down to Texas, or might go to somewhere that I've never been. Get up in the morning and go out at night, and I won't have to go home. Get used to being alone, change the words to the song, and start singing again. I'm tired of running around looking for answers to questions that I already know. I could build me a castle of memories just to have somewhere to go. Count the days and the nights that it takes to get back in the saddle again. Feed the pigeons some clay, turn the night into day, and start talking again when I know what to say. station, gonna get a ticket to ride. Find a big fat lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Ride till the sun comes up and down around me about 2 or 3 times. Smoking cigarettes in the last seat, trying to hide my sorrow from the people I meet and get along with it all. Go down where people say, oh, feed the pigeons some clay, turn the night into day, and start talking again when I know what to say.
to kiss me, just to kiss me, not to make me cry. It was simple, you are sweetness, let's just sit a while. Deep pollute me, gentle angel, and I'll feel the sickness less and less. Come and kiss me, pretty baby, like we'll never have sex.
Flowers are dead, Coke bottle red, blood is spilling halfway down your green glass head. I feel sick, dirty, dirty trick, shiny little bullet, all you wanted was a lick. Men come check, fingers to your neck, sirens in the sea, in the street, at the wreck. Neighbors all show, none that I know, offering their big teeth, bold lies hope. Fishbowl face, mouth so strange, never seen a person act in such odd ways. Limbs gone limp, eyes still twitch, shiny little bullet, all you wanted was a lick. Nurse in black, hair tied back, premature funeral, name on a plaque. Breath is dim, living is slim, chapel bells ring when the reaper turns grim. You look good in your cotton gown, you're trying really hard to get the lead all out. The sun still moves, I think it should stop, there's gotta be a way around nature's cruel law. Change God's mind, religious all night, too many pages and we don't have time. Prayers and thoughts, they only say that if they think hope's lost. Russian roulette, make a good bet. Wasn't very smart to gamble life or death. What do I know that everyone goes? Bones decay to dirt and the river still flows. Wish I could pry, ask what it's like. 4 walls and a lid and you ran out of your time. I am inclined that after I die, to think that there is nothing and I will not find a picket fence, the souls of men, house down in the suburbs where we all pretend. Hell is no more, no more, just a bunch of happy on celestial shores. Prayers and thoughts, they only say that if they think hope's lost.
Staring down the barrel of the hot sun, shining with the sheen of a shotgun. Carol has a little if we need some. Joe has a right if we wanna come. Hanging your jeans with a clothespin. Skin still wet, still on my skin. Mango in your mouth, juice dripping. Shoulder of your shirt sleeve slipping. Christmas Eve with your mother and sis. Don't wanna fight, but your mother insists. Dog's white teeth slice right through my fist. Drive to the yard and they put me on risk. Grocery store list, now you get pissed. Uncheck calls and messages. I don't wanna be the owner of your fantasy. I just wanna be a part of your family. And I don't wanna talk about anything. I don't wanna talk about anything. I wanna kiss your eyes again. Wanna witness your eyes looking. I don't wanna talk about anyone. I don't wanna talk about anyone. I wanna sleep in your car while you're driving. Lay in your lap when I'm crying. Circle of pine and red oak. Circle of moss and fire smoke. Fan on the ceiling like a wheel spoke. Push the clutch and I pull the choke. Wanna listen to the sound of you blinking. Learn to leave the stars in heaven. Learn to leave the salt in the sea.